51% of all product searches start on Amazon in the US of A. But that means 49% of them start somewhere else. Where do they start? Pretty typical that they start on Google. So when it comes to SEO, search engine optimization, you must optimize for those two platforms, Google SEO, Amazon SEO. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you two very easy ways of optimizing for both. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you make money on Amazon or indeed on Google, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want more information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I post brand new money making information just like this each and every day. And if you've got any questions, comments or feedback, you know what to do. Comment below and I'm going to answer that for you personally. With that being said, let's go. So this is a very, very interesting SEO phenomena for you. That's pretty recent as far as it working. I don't know how long it will work for, but it works right now. Okay. So as of right now, February 2022, it works. Anyway, so the big thing about SEO on Amazon is to use all the available real estate. Okay. And so real estate is just the things that we get to put on the page. Okay. So here is this listing, and by all means play along. Here's this listing. Let's have a look at what's actually here. So we've got the product description. Well, they've got A+ content on. So they've got some text here. We also know that Amazon can look at these images now and pull out text from here. Product details, so all the product information, the technical details, well, that's all back end of Seller Central stuff. Additional information, blah, blah, blah. That's nothing to do with us. That's all Amazon's. Have a question. I wonder what we could do with that. Compare similar items. So there's two areas that are very, very traditionally underutilized for SEO on Amazon and SEO also on Google as well, okay? Because they're the two big places. People go looking for products. You want your product to be showing up on Amazon, but you also want your product to show up on Google as well, okay? So the customer questions and answers is and two areas, and the reviewers are two areas that you get to manipulate. You get to influence, okay? You can have people ask you questions, and then you can answer those questions in such a way that you embed the search terms that you're wanting to rank for into your answers and indeed into the questions as well. Okay, you can do that. That's 100% against Amazon's terms of service. However, you can do that. Okay. I'm not saying that you should do it. I'd never ever say that. You should absolutely do that. And also the reviews as well. We all know that you have to engineer reviews. I mean, you know, we're not frigging naive about this stuff. Given that you're going to engineer a review anyway, why not engineer a review that's got the search terms in it that you want to have in it? That's important. So what we know is questions get indexed on Amazon and also on Google. So these, the customers' questions and answers, get indexed on Amazon, meaning that anything that goes into this area is or has the potential, I should say, to be indexed and utilized by Amazon for SEO for your product, okay? And also Google as well. And the reviewers do not get indexed by Amazon, but do get indexed by Google. All right, so let's just show you that and show you what it means by that. So here's the question. Does it pick up pet hair? Let's start with that. So if I do, so I use a search modifier, okay? Site. Now what that does, site : tells Google to go look for pages on that website. Okay, so site, Amazon.com. Now, all the results I'm going to get back are just for that. And now if I just have that, which was the question here, look, does it pick up pet hair? So if I'm going saying, look on Amazon for that, let's see if it can find it. There it is. That's This Works car vacuum cleaner. Okay. What does that tell us? Well, it tells us that Google has indexed that piece of information. That's now Google's robots have crawled this site and this is now indexed. Okay. So that's proof of that. What about the reviews? What's Ronald Lopez? Stopped working after 3 or 4 years. That's updated. Okay. So let's go find Ronnie. Okay, so stop working after. Let's just go into this. Let's take that. So there's Ronnie's review. Okay, so that tells us that Google has indexed and crawled and uses the reviews and uses the questions and the answers to for search engine optimization for Google. Okay, so that's good stuff for us to know. We can use that information, and we can use that information to guide Google to listing our product and for showing our product when people search for a particular product. Okay, that's what I'm trying to get to with that. What is black verified purchase? I don't know. I didn't see that. What was that? Oh, verified purchase there.
No, there was, sorry, Neil. I saw something that said black verified purchase.
Oh, I didn't see that. I don't. Have I still got that open? No. Yeah, black verified purchase. Well, I think that's what got indexed there. Look, so verified purchase, and then it says color black, and so it's probably just that getting indexed and then put into the result. That's probably all that is. So there you go. That's a really good tip for you. And if you're going to engineer these things anyway, and you should engineer it in such a way that it actually helps your SEO too. Okay. If you want to learn more about how to do that, along with all the other stuff I know about Amazon SEO, go to amazonseo.com.au and you can learn all the cool stuff I know about that, and also read about how we discovered all this stuff as well. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce sellers right here in Australia, with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and also come and join us, you can get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is right in the description, and I will see you on the inside. Till next time, bye.